Hello guys! Welcome again to my kitchen. So for today, we're gonna make a sinigang na salmon head. A very easy budget meal recipe that is very good for a cold days. So for the ingredients, I have salmon head, onions, garlic, and then sinigang mix, fish sauce, and some veggies. I don't have much ingredients but hope this will do. Okay, first clean your salmon head and then dice your onions, and then now we have to saute our aromatics in a small oil. Then put some pepper and then put your salmon head. Let it steam for a little bit, and you can add as well some peppers and ginger if you want to lessen the fishy taste, but it's up to you guys. And then now you can put fish sauce and wait for a few minutes before you add some water. Put 2 to 3 cups of water and let it boil. During this time, you can put your tamarind powder or your sinigang mix, more peppers, a little bit of salt, and chili powder if you want. Then once it's boiled, you can add your vegetables. I just have cabbage here. You can add tomatoes, petchay, and any other vegetables. So you can cover the pan and let it boil. And once it's cooked, tada! Here's your sinigang na salmon head or your sour salmon head soup. So enjoy! It's very nice, especially on a cold weather like today. Come, let's eat guys! Higop na tayo ng sabaw. Thank you guys. Comment for more recipes and then see you on my next vlog.